Hello students, today I will start multiplication of matrices. So you have some idea about addition, subtraction of matrices. Today I will start multiplication of matrices, right? So there are some rules to be followed before doing or before performing the multiplication. What is the rule? Whenever two matrices are going for product, there are some rules. That is, the column number of first matrix should be equal to the row number of second matrix. Otherwise, they are not conformable for the product. Okay, let's see. M into this one equal to 1, 2, where M is the matrix. State the order of matrix M. Find the matrix M. Look what is given. M into 1, 1, 0, 2, that is equal to 1, 2. This is 2 by 2. This is 1 by 2. First row, 1 row, 2 column. This is 2 by 2. Now, this is a matrix. So, what will be the order of matrix? As at first I told you, for matrix multiplication, column number of first matrix, column number of first matrix equal to row number of second matrix. For matrix multiplication, column number of first matrix equal to row number of second matrix. This is the condition. Look here, the row number of second matrix is 2. So the column number of first matrix, that should be 2, right? So order of matrix M equal to row column number 2. Its column number and row number would be same. So column number should be 2. This is clear. Okay. Now we see in case of matrix multiplication, suppose A, B, C, D, its order is M into N, and P, Q, R, S, whatever may be, suppose its order is N into P, then this one same. So the order of the product matrix, will be M cross P, that is row number of first matrix and column number of second matrix. That will be the order of the product matrix. So here the matrix M, here look, here the column number is 2, it is clear because this 2 and 2 is same. What will be the row number? Look, the matrix order is 1 into 2. That means this is the row number of first matrix and this is the column number of second matrix. The column number of second matrix is 2. It is given. And this is the row number of first matrix. The row number of first matrix is 1. So row number of first matrix 1 and the column number of second matrix is 2. The product is 1 into 2. It is given, this is 1 by 2. That is first row, 1 row, 2 columns. So the order of the matrix M is 1 into 2. That is the matrix X, 1 row and 2 columns. Okay. Now we have to find the matrix. How to find the matrix? Just see. So let M equal to X, Y. 1 row, 2 column. The order of the matrix is 1 row, 2 column. Okay. Right? So this is, now we can write X, Y. So X, Y, this is 1 row, 2 column. This is 2 row, 2 column equal to 1 into 2. Right? Now we have to find the matrix XY. Now how to multiply the matrix? This is very important. In case of matrix multiplication, we go by this way along row and one part is along column. That means x into 1. So these are confirmable for the product, we have understood, because column number of second matrix equal to row number of first matrix. This is clear. Now how to multiply? How it goes? This portion will go in this direction, and we will keep one column fixed of the second matrix. Look, this column is fixed. So what we are, look, and the order of the matrix will come 1 into, that is 1 row 2 column, the order of the matrix, order the product matrix. So how to multiply? Okay, x into 1, this one into this one, then we come to here, and there we come to here, plus y into 0, x into 1 plus y into 0. Okay, finished. This column finished. Now this column, x into 1 plus y into 2, right? X into 1 plus y into 0, this one, and this one, x into 1 plus y into 2. That is equal to 1, 2. Now this is x, this is x plus 2y. 1, 2, right? 1, 2. Okay. Now we have to find x and y. How to find x and y? Now we will equate these two matrices, because they are, this one equal to this one means these matrices, these two matrices are equal. That means this one equal to this one, and this one equal to equality of matrices. From the equality of matrices we get, so we get x equal to 1 and x plus 2y equal to 2. That means 1 plus 2y equal to 2. That means 2y equal to 2 minus 1. That means 2y equal to 1, or y equal to half. Okay. So the matrix M equal to xy equal to 1 half. This is the answer. This is the matrix M. And order we have already found. What was the order? I have already cleared the boards. Anyway, order I have found, and what is the matrix I have found. Now we go to the next sum. Now we pass to the second sum. Given this one into x equal to this one, write order of the matrix x and the matrix. Same sum, same type of sum, but the matrices are different. Look, here first matrix is 2 by 2, and the second matrix is product is 2 by 1. I told you this one A, B, C, D, and this is P, Q, R, S. Suppose it is M by N. Suppose, although I can see it is 2 by 2. Suppose if its order is M by N, and if the order of first matrix is atto and order of second matrix is atto, then the order of product matrix, what will be? M into P. That is row number of first matrix and column number of second matrix. Okay. Look, here the row number of first matrix do to same. And what will be the column number of? Look, column number is 1, it is sure. Column number of x is 1, because its column will come in the product. So column number of x is 1. Now what will be the order? Suppose this is, if I say xy, suppose I have written xy, because its column number is 2, then what we are getting, its order is 2 by 1, right? 2 rows, 1 column. If I go for product, look, this one same, very good. And ultimately we are getting the product matrix. The order of product matrix is 2 by 1, which is equal. That means here the order of matrix X, order of matrix X equal to 2 by 1. The column number will be 2, row number will be 2, confirm. Why? Because for this product, the column number of second matrix should be equal to the row number of second matrix. This is column number of first matrix equal to the row number of second matrix. So if it is 2, that should be 2, otherwise they are not conformable for the product. And the rest part is that this is 1, because these will come here. So as it is 1, so this should be 1. That means the order of the matrix X will be 2 into 1. Okay. Suppose it is X, y. Now we have to find the matrix X. Okay. Now we have to find the matrix. Again I am repeating. Okay. There is any problem? Okay, I am repeating. Look, this one is 2 by 2 and this was 2, 1. That means the column, that is the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. So for the product, the row number of matrices should be 2. Otherwise they are not conformable for the product. And what about the column? The column should be 1 because the column number of this matrix will come here. So as the column number is 1, so here it should come 1. So order of matrix X is 2 by 1. Now what is the matrix? This is suppose XY. Now we have to find this one. Go for product this one and this one. So what we are getting? 2 into X. 2 into X. First, look, there is only one column. So this is fixed. We have to change the row. 2 into X plus 1 into Y. 2 into X plus 1 into Y. Then minus 3 into X plus 4 into Y. This is equal to 7, 6. Right? That implies 2x plus y and here minus 3x plus 4y. This is equal to 7, 6. Right? 7, 6. Now solving these two simultaneous equations will find the value of x and y. How to solve the equation? How to solve the equation? We get 2x plus y equal to 7 and minus 3x plus 4y equal to 6. This is equation number 1. Any process you can apply. Multiply by 4. Elimination we are doing. It is more easy. 8x plus 4y equal to any method you can use. No stipulated rule that you have to use this one. Okay. Go for minus, minus, minus. 11x equal to 22. That means x equal to 22 by 11, 2. That means x equal to 2. Now, 2x plus y equal to 7. That means 2 into 2 plus y equal to 7. Or 4 plus y equal to 7. Or y equal to 7 minus 4. Or y equal to 3. Right? X equal to y equal to 3. Okay? So, what was the order of the matrix? The order of the matrix was, it was most probably 2 by 1, right? So, x equal to 2, 3, right? This is the answer. Now, order was, what was? 2 into 1. Okay. Now, we go to the next one. Now, this one. A is given, B is given, find A square plus AB plus B square. What is A square? A square doesn't mean that the square of the matrix. No, A square means A into A. A into A. So, A square equal to, okay, at first we go for multiplication of AB. I have written here A cross B. So, what we will do? A into B. A into B at first we are doing. Look, this is 2 into 2, this is 2 into 2. Look, this one is same. Column number of first matrix equal to row number of second is same. Now we will find AB at first. How to find AB? It will go in this direction, it will go in this direction. That is 1 into 2, 1 into 2. It will approach here, it will come here. 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Very good. Keeping the first column fixed. Now 2 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Okay. Now this one, 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. Now first row, second, now at first we, whatever we have done, first column, keeping the first column fixed. Now we are keeping the second column fixed. 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0. Okay. So what we are getting, check the calculation. 2, this is 4 minus 1, 3. This is 3, this is 6. Okay, this is AB. So what we get? AB equal to 2, 3, 3, 6. Now what we will find? We'll find a square. What is a square? A square means a into a. A square means a into a, right? What is a square? A square means a into a. That is 1 0 2 1, right? And this is 2 3 sorry 1 0 2 1, a square to a into a. So same matrix is multiplied. So 1 into 1, keeping the first column fixed, this one fixed. Okay, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2, 1 into 1 plus. Student, you can do one thing. Whenever going for multiplication, pause the video, you do it yourself and check it. That will be better for you. Okay, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2, right? Now 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2, right? First row, first column, second row, first column. Now 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1 and 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 0, this is 1. So what we are getting? A square equal to, please check the calculation, 1 0 4 1. This is the matrix A square, 1 0 4 1. Okay, now we'll go for B square. What is B square? Okay, pause the video to note it down. Now what is B square? B square equal to 2 3, right, minus 1 0 into 2 3 minus 1 0, right? That means we are multiplying first row, first column, first row, first column, 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1. Then second row, first column, keeping the first column fixed, 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus. Then minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. There is some another method for multiplication, but I prefer most this one. Minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Then 2 into 3, then keeping the first column fixed. Now we will keep the second column fixed. 1 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0. How it? 2 into this one, then it will approach here, it will come down, 3 into 0. Then minus 1 into 3, minus 1 into 3, it will go in this direction, it will go in this direction. So minus 1 into 3, very good. Then 0 and 0. 0 into 0. So we are getting, this is 4 minus 3 minus 2, 6 plus 0 minus 3 plus 0, right? So we are getting 1 6 minus 2 minus 3. 1 6, right? 1 6 minus 2 minus 3. This is B square. 1 6 minus 2 minus 3. Look, now what we are to find? A square plus AB plus B square. Okay. Look, I didn't upload the video of addition and subtraction, which is very easy. I will make you understand here, because in one video I will make you understand everything. Okay. So because we have some problems of time, because there are so many videos, but in one video I will try to cover all the concepts of matrices. Anyway, so this is A square, AB square and AB. Now what will I find? I will find A square plus AB plus B square. So A square, now A square plus AB plus B square. This is 1041 plus, what is AB? AB is 2336, okay, plus B square 16 minus 2 minus 3, right? Now we have to add. In case of addition, what we do in case of addition, corresponding elements are added. What is corresponding elements? That is the same position element. Look, this is first row, first column. This is first row, first column. This is first row, first column of the matrices. So we can go for 1 plus 2 plus 1. First row, first column, first row, first column, first row, first column. Then 0 plus 3 plus 6. 0 plus 3 plus 6. Sir, you don't say about order of matrices. No. In case of addition, order should be same. Otherwise, you cannot add. Right. Now, 4 plus 3 minus 2. This is 1 plus 6 minus 3. So what we are getting? 4, 5, 9, 4954. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. In this way we have to multiply and add. Okay. Now we go to the next one. This is a solve the matrix equation. That is, you have to solve, find the matrix X. That means X. Look, this is 4 by 1. That is, its order is 2, 1, and this is 2 by 2. So naturally we know from our discussion that the order of the row number should be 1 for X. So order of matrix X 1, because here the column number is 1, so here the order of the matrix is 1, and ultimately it will the row number is 1 and the column number is 2, because in the product the column is 2. So order of matrix is that. Let X equal to 1 row 2 column. That means suppose XY, right? XY, or you can write AB. Anything you can write AB. Okay. AB. Now what will I do? 4 1 into AB. Look, this is a typical type. Minus 4 8 minus 1 2. This is a typical type of multiplication. How to do? It's a very look. Generally, what were we doing? In this way we are going and the column. But look, this is 1 row and this is 1 column. So multiplying we get 4 into A only. Bas. First row keeping first column fixed. Then 1 into A, it is coming 1 into A. Second row first column fixed. Okay, this column fixed. Then 4 into B. Okay, look, this is 2 by 1 and this is 1 by 2. And this is now 4 into B. Khatam. 1 into B. Clear? So this is minus 4, 8, minus 1, 2. So what we are getting? 4A, 4B, B. That is equal to minus 4, 8, minus 1, 2. So by comparing we get A equal to minus 1 and B equal to 2. Okay. So X equal to minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Okay, minus 1, 2. X equal to minus 1, 2. So this is the solution of the matrix. Look, A plus 2B equal to this one, 2A minus B equal to this one, right? We have to find A and B. That is, we have to solve A and B. How to do? Look, going for simultaneous like this way, A, this is 2A. So multiply this by 2. So we are getting 2A plus 4B equal to 2, 4, 12 minus 6. It is a scalar multiplication. We are multiplying the whole thing by 2. This side and this side. And here it is 2A minus B, right? 2A minus B equal to 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, right? Okay. Now we go for subtraction. This one minus this one, A cancel. So we'll get the value of B. Now, what we are doing? 2A plus 4B minus 2A minus B. So we are getting 2, 4, 12 minus 6 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So we are getting 2A plus 4B minus 2A plus B. So we are getting 2 minus 2, 0, 4 plus 1, 5, 12 minus 2, 10, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. Okay, sir, I didn't understand anything. Okay, no problem, better. So 2 minus 2 corresponding elements, we are subtracting corresponding minus minus plus 1, right? 12 minus 6, 12 minus 2, this is minus 6 plus 1. That is 0, 5, 10, minus 5, right? So what we are getting? Sorry, this is 2A. 2A cancel. So 5B equal to this one, 0, 5, 10, minus 5. That means we are getting B equal to dividing by 5 like this way, 0, 5, 10, minus 5. So what? Now we multiply whole term by 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 into 0, that is 0. Most probably, can you see? there is yes, now you can see minus 1 by 5 into 0, this is 1 by 5 into 5, this is 1, 1 by 5 into 10, this is 2, right? And 1 by 5 into minus 5, this is minus 1. Okay, this is the value of B. Now we will find the value of A. Okay, now for finding the value of A, we can put the value of B here, otherwise we will cancel B. Okay, and then we'll get the value of A. Multiplying these two by this by 2, that is 4A minus 2B. That is equal to 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, right? Now A plus 2B plus 4A minus 2B, this one plus this one equal to 1, 2, 6 minus 3 plus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So we are getting this one cancel. 5A equal to 1 plus 4, 5, 2 minus 2, 0, 6 plus 4, 10, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. So that implies A equal to 1 by 5. 5, 0, 10 minus 5. A equal to 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 5, that is 1, this is 0, 1 by 5 into 10, 2, this is minus 1. So we are getting A equal to 1, 0, 2, minus 1. Okay, please check the calculation. We are getting, please check the calculation. So we are getting A equal to 1, 0, 2, minus 1. So this is one answer, this is one answer. So these are the values which we have got. Okay, so we have to find this value. I think all the parts I have covered. Okay, so watch the video again and again and pause the video to note it down. Okay, I think there will be no problem, especially in multiplication of matrices, which create a lot of problem in the examination. Okay, thank you, and thank you for watching.